Alright, welcome to this tutorial. We're making a code design and it's going to be a quick one. And this design is by David Long. So we'll be replicating this. I'm sure you know who we have here, and that is Steve Steve Jobs. So let's get started. Like I said, it's going to be a quick one. And the color, we want to use the gradient color. So let's go over to this. We're picking this color. There won't be much of a difference, just that will make one lighter than the other. So and you have it to be like this. You can leave it like this. You can apply a texture, and let me go and browse to get this beautiful. So this is what we're going to be working with. We're going to be working with this. So go back, use 3D rotate rather. Just use 3D rotate and rotate it. So we want to have something like this. It should be touching the top. It should be touching the top. The color will be white. I don't know if it's going to be pure white. Let's check the original design. So it's not a pure white. Is. And you want to take that to the back. Take it to the back, and yes. So there you go. And now let's bring in the design of the late Steve Jobs. So we have this to be like this. So what we'll do is we're going to apply color filters. I want to make it black and white. So there's some things you can do here too. If you want it to be lighter, and then the brightness, we don't want it to be too bright. Just so, and there you have it. You want to lock this, then bring in the shape here. Still not going to be a pure white, and you just want to have this to be like this. It's not a pure white, remember. And there you have it. Bring a text, and so the first thing we want to do is write what is written there. See, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. The only okay. I didn't ask for microphone. So the only way to do great work or the job is to love what you do. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. So you can use this font, or you can make use of the Montserrat font or any sans serif font that you feel is okay with you. I'm gonna place this here. Copy Steve Jobs. So this will be bolder. So we'll go over to font, still Montserrat or whatever serif font to be using, but we want to make this bolder. And there you have it. So the next thing is to bring shape and place it this way. And so now let's copy this, reduce the size. If this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what type of tutorial I want me to be making more of, and we'll get straight out to business. And there you have it. So the only thing that is needed is just come here, copy this, and just put in the website here. Say www dot what's it called, brands.digital, brands, and make this color black. Then copy this. Gonna have just gonna make it brands digital, brand digital. We're gonna make just concept of a logo. So we want to copy this and do that. So it's gonna be like B, right? B, and we're just gonna do this here. Bring in your shape. So you can see now you can merge it together. Then you copy it, and if you want you can centralize it this way. For this one we rotate it this way. It's on the same thing. Now bring in the shape. Give it a color. And now you have that to be like that. Then what you do is merge these three, merge them together. Then go back to your erase color. What we want to remove is the red portion. Make sure you scroll over to that red. Good. That's what we want to remove. Now go back to color and still give it the that white color. You want to bring this here. Just let's see how it works. Yes, so now we're gonna have this, and we want to merge it because we've done all what we need to do. You merge it and you're gonna place it over here. Okay, after merging, just take it, reduce it, and there you go. So we've been able to replicate this flyer in just about 10 minutes. What made it took longer is because we had to work a little bit on that logo. So if you still want the background to have some texture, you can add that. But for that's what we'll be doing for the tutorial. Thank you for watching to the end. You can go ahead and delete this. Once I want to give a big shout out to the original designer, David Long. Thank you for watching to this point and time, and let me know in the comments what you've learned so far, and I will see you in another tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.